What's going on, y'all? Your boy is back with another one, and yeah, slight upgrade to the box today, man. You know, I always gotta keep my game up, keep my game tight, and your boy just done added something. What he done added? What did he add? What did he add? Oh! In my car. Oh, nobody's in my car. How in the heck did that start? How in the heck? Hold on, let me see. Oh, that was easy. Well, y'all, as you can see, your boy done added remote start to the Box Chevy. Ooh wee. And also done added lock and unlock, power door locks as well. So my car already had power door locks. All I did was tie in some relays, and I was able to use this fob in order to lock and unlock my car. So that's pretty dope too. Been something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I'm glad I got around to doing it. I actually thought this system was an alarm, and for a while I didn't know that it wasn't an alarm. And then one day I was kind of looking in the box, I'm like, where's the dang horn at? And then I kind of started reading more, and it's just remote start only, which is fine because that's what I really wanted. But I do have to get it also a really good alarm for this car, so I'll just research and kind of just go. I didn't film it because I'm kind of in a hurry and we have to be somewhere, and I'm kind of weird about putting like security systems and things like that and showing people, you know, kind of where I tied stuff in and this and that as far as my cars go. So I didn't want to do that, but I thought I would at least show you guys. And man, this thing just starts right up, man. It's actually pretty straightforward. I took my time as far as the wiring goes, and pretty straightforward, y'all. Definitely am loving it. Yeah, it has lock, unlock, and remote start. Also has a trunk release as well, but they didn't send me the harness for that one, so I'm not sure if that's something I have to buy. It's just optional on the motherboard or on the box or whatever. I don't know, we'll add that at some point. But anyways, y'all, it's actually really nice. I'm glad I have it. And oh, let me show you the power locks here real quick. Power locks, I'll go ahead, boom, unlock, bow. And also it is tied into the lights as well. So my parking light, so if I hit lock, get that one blink. If I hit unlock, should get two. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, she is done. Done. Kind of show you guys, man, the Box Chevy now has remote start, and I am loving every bit of it, man. And man, this is gonna be clutch. That was just kind of another addition to what I got going on for the Box Chevy. And shoot, man, it might be one of my last kind of upgrades for this car this summer, possibly. We'll see. I got some other things going on as well too, so but I don't know, we'll see. Just something that I've been really wanting to do for a long time, and I'm glad I got it done. So what I'll do is I'll put the part number in the description as well, and if you guys want to know what unit I went with, this is it right here. Compustar 4900S two-way remote start system, and it has a max range of 3,000 feet, so it could be up to 3,000 feet out and it will start. So yep, two-way confirmation, remote start, 3,000 max range, lifetime limited warranty. Yeah, so it wasn't that bad. I think now they're like 120 bucks, but I think I got mine for like 70 because I bought it so long ago. But I think the brand and this particular one is really good, so I think they upped the price on them. But man, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I got to get some food in me and get ready to go with my girl somewhere. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna call it right now. You guys know what to do, man. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, all my new subscribers as well. And you guys know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. Stick with me, stick with me, stick with me. Let's get it. Deuces out.